Good afternoon, it's Sarah from Hills. I am here today over in Ellesmere Park to show you this absolutely beautifully presented one-bedroom apartment over at the Beeches. So, nestled away within the tree-lined streets of Ellesmere Park, just a short walk over to Monton Village. This beautiful apartment, floor-to-ceiling windows in the lounge. This modern fitted kitchen. Got the electric hob, the electric oven, space for the fridge, and the washing machine again, and the beautiful views out of the window. Now the whole apartment is fully electric. Got this gorgeous modern shower room just as we come in off the entrance hallway. Storage just tucked away behind the door, and then this really generous sized double bedroom again as we come in off the entrance hall. Now this place would be absolutely perfect for a first time buyer or somebody looking to downsize. Just move all their belongings straight in and be able to call this place home. So we're located on the second floor. There is residence parking, plenty of spaces. There is also the opportunity to rent a garage as well for those that may want to, and then you do have beautifully kept communal gardens to the front of the building. Now, as I mentioned, we're over in Ellesmere Park, which is just a short walk back into Eccles Centre, where you will find excellent transport links, including Metrolink, bus station, train station, taking you further afield into Salford, Manchester, and many further locations. Absolutely surrounding yourself here with local amenities, and there's a lot of local green space for those that enjoy getting outdoors and having the long walk finished off with a nice drink in one of the local bars down Monton High Street. So if you're interested in coming along and taking a viewing on this fabulous property, please give the office a call on 0161 707 4900.